happy Friday. I hope you guys are having a lovely week so far. Today's video is very exciting for me because it's been something I've been meaning to talk about for a really long time, and also I get a lot of requests for. So as the title of this video, as you can see, is going to be on a clean beauty skincare routine. This is going to be for those of you guys who want to use more clean products in your skincare routine, and also things that have less chemicals, synthetics in them. So these products I've had for a really long time. I've used them in the past, you've seen them in my videos, so I do incorporate quite a few clean beauty products already in my skincare routine, but this is going to be a full-on, everything is going to be clean. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started.
To start, let's wet the face and cleanse. I'll be using the Skin Fix Foaming Oil Cleanser. It's a hydrating creamy oil that lightly foams to wash away dirt and makeup without stripping the skin dry. It's free from, and the list is long you guys, fragrance, parabens, sulfates, formaldehydes, phthalates, silicones, and a lot more. This is especially great if you have drier skin like I do. I like giving myself a nice and soothing face massage and then rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Next up, I'll be using the Biossance Squalane and Glyoclic Renewal Facial. It's a triple change peel, exfoliator, and mask all in one formula. If you're looking for an at-home facial, this is the clean product to use. It's great for dull and uneven texture, pores, and oiliness. It's made with sugarcane, naturally derived AHAs, lactic and malic acids, and squalane, which helps lock in moisture. I just apply a thin layer of this all over the face and a little tingly sensation happens, and then I gently massage it, leave it on for 5 minutes, and wipe clean. For serum, I'll be using one of my all-time favorites, the Caudalie Radiance Serum. It's suitable for all skin types, and the viniferin in it is said to be 62 times more effective than vitamin C at boosting radiance. I just apply a few drops on my fingers to warm up and press it into the skin until it fully absorbs. I also love the smell of citrus blossom, orange tree leaves, and the watermelon in this. Moving right along, I'll be using the Tata Harper's Illuminating Moisturizer. This is a great clean product if you're into anti-aging. It has a pearl pink tint that hydrates and instantly illuminates with diamond dust, making skin look healthy and hydrated. 100% of the total ingredients in this product are from natural origin. It's free from toxins, fillers, and all synthetic chemicals. One of my best tips for dry and dehydrated skin is using an overnight mask. This Origin's Drink Up Intensive Overnight Hydrating Mask with avocado and Swiss glacial water is what I've been using overnight to wake up with smooth and hydrated skin. I lightly tap a small amount of this all over the face and leave on until the morning and wipe clean. Onto the eyes. One of my favorites, and you've seen him before, is the Biossance Squalane and Peptide Eye Gel. This helps reduce the look of puffy eyes and dark circles. It also has squalane and hyaluronic acid to help hydrate that sensitive eye area. One pump is all I need. Apply in light tapping motions with your ring finger in this area and smooth it out. And lastly, I cannot live without hand moisturizer, and Weleda is a brand I actually found out about when I was traveling in Europe. I love the Skin Food Moisturizer for the hands. It's great if you have dry, cracked hands like I do, if you work with your hands a lot, planting in your garden, washing dishes, or cleaning all the time, which I always do. Those products can really dry out your skin, so using something that replenishes it is a must. And now, we're done.
So this is my skincare routine using only clean products, and I personally love incorporating this into my routine because it makes me feel better about using these products. There's less chemicals and it's more natural and safer for your skin. And moving forward in the beauty industry, I think that's something that every product should incorporate, something that's clean, something that's safe, something that's good for our skin, because what we put on our skin directly goes into our bodies, and making sure that our products are safe for us is something very important, obviously. So if you guys liked this video or want to see more clean beauty videos or maybe cruelty-free videos, let me know in the comment section below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Make sure you enjoy every day, open your heart, be kind to one another, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye!